Hello guys, today we will discuss about sprint retrospective meeting. What is meant by sprint retrospective meeting in the Agile framework? Sprint retrospective meeting. See, sprint retrospective meeting helps to understand the team that what worked well, what didn't work well. Means sprint duration is 4 weeks, right? So after that the release will happen, the code will get deployed to the production and the application is live. So after that, after the release, 2 to 3 days after that, so we will be having a sprint retrospective meeting in the Agile framework. So in this, they will discuss so how our release happened and is there any improvements is required, so what duration it has taken. So some points they will discuss in the sprint retrospective meeting. So the meeting duration is around 1 hour. So attendees, we can say who are attending for the sprint retrospective meeting: Scrum Master, Scrum team, product owner. So here team rate the sprint out of 10. Like they will rate the sprint. So last sprint, out of 10, what and all. See, the first point we can say what went right. Okay. Second point, what went wrong. They will discuss these points. So, third point, any improvements or what has to be done to sprint or better release or same, any improvements to be added. See, this they will discuss after every release. After every release, there will be a sprint retrospective meeting. So here, meeting duration is around 1 hour. Attendees, Scrum Master will be there, Scrum team will be there, and the product owner will be there. So mainly they will discuss this point. See, this is a sprint, right? They will rate this sprint. Out of 10, they will discuss what went wrong, what went right. So for the next sprint, we want to perform better. For that, any improvements to be added, or how can we do a better release, better than this release. So those points they will discuss. They will come up with a plan every release. The sprint retrospective meeting will happen after every release in the Agile framework. This is one of the key factors in the Agile. Thank you.